It's time for the Winter Margot Elena box. So if you want to see what treats are in this season for Margot Elena, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Ben are in the other room. Dexter might make an appearance. He's made a couple of appearances so far today in filming, so who knows, he could come back down here. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, hauls, all kind of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Margot Elena has a line of fragrances and skincare. She does the brand does the Cottage Greenhouse, Tokyo Milk, Lilia, Infinite She, Archive. What am I missing? Cottage Greenhouse. Lots of different things. And I think there's like a new brand that we recently got last time. This is a seasonal subscription box. And it is always filled with just lovely items. So you open it up and it says wrapped in radiance. There's a little card that gives you the prices. And then we have everything in there with many items so nicely wrapped up. There's often an item or two in there that are exclusive to the box, and sometimes there are things that are in the box before they've even hit their website. So right on top we have two luminous taper candles in this kind of purpley color, and this is an exclusive and it's part of the Margot Elena Happy Home line. And this has an $18 MSRP, and I don't feel like their scented tapers aren't usually. Next we have, this looks like a little maybe lotion. This is part of their Lilia line, and it is the Snowdrop Hand Cream. Beautiful packaging. And this is just a little extra holiday gift. Now they do say the retail value of this box is $205. So there we go. So gorgeous. Perfect to just throw into your bag. And by Archive, we have the Journey Within. And this is one of the hand creams, and it's a lovely scent. I've actually had this scent before, not only in hand cream, in the perfume, and in the liquid soap. And this is a $24 value. Let me see the scent notes. Green tea and willow. Next we have a wrapped item. This is our first wrapped item that we're opening. And these are some matches. They have the Tokyo Milk label on there, which is always beautiful. And there's the matches. And you have your little strike pad right there. And that is a $14 value. Next we have some little cards. And this is a $16.50 value. You're going to get 3 cards. We get cards often in this box. So we have this sparkly tree and it says Feliz Navidad. Then we have some reindeer and it says Go Buck Wild on your birthday. And we have this little dragonfly and it says thank you. All right, this is kind of heavy. I wonder if it's a candle or something. This is from Cottage Greenhouse, and it is a rosemary mint rescue foot cream. And I've had this before, and it's so nice, and it smells so good. It's like a pretty pink as well, so it's also pleasant looking. And that's a $30 value. This feels like the perfume. This is a Tokyo Milk dark scent. And this is Ice Queen. And it has scents of notes of sparkling citrus, osmanthus, salt crystals, and aquamarine. It always has your scent notes right on there. Oh, that's so nice. It's very light and refreshing. Yeah, I like that. And that's a $56 value. And this is probably either a body lotion or a shower gel based upon the package type. It is the Snowdrop Shower Gel. And the scent notes are winterberry and cashmere. And that's a $24 value. And then last we have this little bag. And we have two things in there. We have another perfume. Now I can't ever recall getting two perfumes. This is the Tokyo Milk Radiant Gem with scents of lemon balm, amber, winter daphne, and musk. Oh, that's very nice. Ooh, that I really love that. And then we have a little mini hand cream, and this is a $33 value with the two together. So I always so love this box. I love the line of perfume. I've said it before, I didn't use perfume for years. And when I started getting this box, I thought I'm not going to like the perfume, but I'll like the other things. I fell in love with perfume again, and now I am addicted to scents. So this was the start of that journey. I think it's another fabulous box. It is, it's on the pricey side, but you are getting some luxury items, some luxury scents, and you're definitely getting your value back. You're getting more than double back.
No.
And Bandit has made his way to see us. He hates it. But I think he's adorable in it. All right. Well, I think that was another great box. I think I just said that, but Bandit coming in threw me off. Let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully we'll see you soon.